Kasi yung firstborn ko is special. So, ang firstborn ko has Down syndrome. So, at first, nung lumabas yung anak ko, sabi ko, bakit ganun? Parang masama ba akong tao? Wala naman ako niloko eh. Parang ako pinahirapan babae sa buhay ko. So, parang sabi ko, bakit nangyari yun? Isip mo, from sobrang lakas ng faith ko, kinwestiyon ko yun. Pero, now, moving forward, 7 years old na siya, now I know why God gave him to me. So, parang doon ko na-realize why did I feel that way at that time? Parang minsan naiinis ako sa sarili ko na hindi ko pala dapat naramdaman yun. At kaya ako alam na may Diyos because He never fails to provide for me and for my family. Maraming naturo sa anak ko how to be more patient, how to be more caring, loving. I'm proud of my son.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, hospital.